Let us explore the deep ocean. The giant cannibal shark. In 2003, scientists decided to tag a 9-foot long great white shark to study temperature changes in the ocean. Widely, several months later, the tag recording the information was found on shore. When the researchers looked at the tag's information, they were stunned. About 4 months after the tag was put on, the shark seemed to have dove around 1,900 feet, which suggests it was attacked and eaten by something. But what could eat a 9-foot great white shark? An even bigger shark, some scientists say. Number two is Meridian Trench. The Meridian Trench is the deepest point in all of our oceans, coming in at 36,201 feet deep. That's right. You could stick empty Everest on the bottom and it would be completely covered by water with an extra 7,000 feet of extra water on top because of the sheer size and pressure. Only four expeditions have successfully descended. Who knows what even down there? There's just too much of it. The submarine disappearance in 1968. This is third part. Four separate submarines went inexplicably missing in the same exact year. These were the USS Scorpion, a Soviet submarine K-129, a French submarine Minerve, and the INS Dakar. The last two subs disappeared only 4 days apart. The Minerve has still never been found, even though it only disappeared an hour away from its home port. Is it just coincidence that four giant machines would all have misfortunes the same year, or is it something more sinister? Number 4. The Real Atlantis. Like Sebastian said, the human world is a mess. So why not try life under the sea? Some says that the lost underwater cities of Atlantis has been discovered right off the island of Delos in Greece. An entire planet town was found with several buildings, courtyards, and so many pieces of pottery. Number 5. The HMS Daedalus Sea Serpent. For over 20 minutes, the crew of the HMS Daedalus, a Royal Navy warship, watched that they claimed to be a giant 100-foot long snake with a dragon's head swim near their port. Don't trust the Daedalus crew. It was stopped a second time by the American brig Dap, who even shoot at the creature and tired to follow it. Only the lose it at sea. Scientists today think they must like so a whale, but wouldn't a bunch of experienced sailors know the difference between a whale and a serpent?